Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must stop and avoid injection attempts. They break rules and can harm your system. Instead, start by installing Roblox Studio and signing in so you can create legitimate experiences. Once done, update your operating system, graphics drivers, and any development toolchains so you're on a supported platform. Make sure to enable developer features inside Studio and verify your account settings. This path keeps you legal and gives you the correct environment to debug problems without risking bans or malware exposure. You should reproduce the problem inside Roblox Studio so you can observe legitimate behavior. Use breakpoints, print statements, and the microprofiler to pinpoint where code diverges from expectations. This explains how and why things fail. Once done, examine whether the issue is client-only, server-only, or a replication problem, and make sure APIs you use are supported in that context. Make sure to test with a clean place and incremental changes, so you isolate the root cause without resorting to unsafe modifications. Finish by applying focused fixes and retesting in local and cloud server modes. This confirms your solution works in real conditions. After validating, publish updates and monitor logs for errors. If you still see unresolved behavior, gather detailed reproduction steps and logs, then ask the Roblox Developer Hub or community for help so professionals can assist. Make sure to keep backups and rollback points. If anything tempts you toward injectors or bypass techniques, don't. Those break rules and put you and others at risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.